Just me and nature. I went to Scott's, the restaurant at the Western Hotel. Even while having my lunch, my heart was outside. The river, the green, felt softly calling me, and then I saw them. Two empty chairs on the riverbank, waiting in perfect silence. Suddenly, I started walking towards them, letting pure nature pull me in, and asking me to sit and see clear, and I sat. An unseen force snapped my eyes to the fruit loaded tree. It gives everything in silence. I give little, yet shout the loudest. A tree bears fruit, yet bows to all. Humans with less still claim it all. Something unseen forces my eyes to the tall trees. They loom proud and lonely. Their fruits are unreachable and they offer nothing. Small trees huddle, giving shade to fruit to all. Tall trees reach high, proud as man. Small trees smile where the river ran. Nature bows, yet humans claim so much less, yet want the fame. I realize the sun is pouring the light on all, asking nothing, and yet I feel a force seizing my mind. Why can't I give like it? And also wondering who is making me see human nature through pure nature. The sun glows bright, giving light to all, tall or short, great or small. Why can't humans, like the sun, shine on all? I see. On the other side, the boats are resting calm, cradled by the river, gentle hand. And suddenly a force seizes my mind, forcing me to see if nature holds all safely, why can't humans let others sink? Something unseizes my mind. A bridge is joining the green park to the flowing stream. Nature joins all effortlessly. If rivers, trees, and the bridges can do their part, why can't I? Why can't I? Now I understand it was God guiding my mind all along. Human confused, take a seat. Two chairs await by the river beat. Learn the ways of heart and lore, pure nature or human nature. Explore. The two chairs by the river is allowing me the truth. Pure nature gives freely, and human nature struggles to do the same. Pure nature or human nature, explore.